Queenie, what are you doing here?
I'm making money on TikTok.
How do you make money on TikTok?
I'll show you, and I'll show you too. Before I became a content creator, I had no idea how people made money on social media. And I honestly never thought it could be me. But here I am, and I'm doing it. I'm a full-time content creator, and I currently have 145,000 followers on TikTok. There are so many niches on TikTok. It's not all cute dancing videos. For example, Excel hacks, food tips, ASMR, sustainable fashion, renovation tips, and of course, personal finance. TikTok rewards. This is one of the easiest ways to make money on TikTok, and it requires 0 followers. You can invite your friends to TikTok and then earn rewards for that. Simply sign on to the TikTok app and then click on the gift box icon, and here it says that you can invite a new sign up to TikTok and you'll get points worth $1. To invite your friends to TikTok, simply click on the invite button, and here you can copy your invite link and send it to your friends. And you can redeem these TikTok points for gift cards or donations to a charity of your choice. You used to be able to earn $30 per referral, but it looks like TikTok has reduced this amount to $1 per referral. But it's still a pretty sweet deal if you ask me. My dear friend Lucy, I know it's been a while since I've spoken to you, but you've always been in my thoughts. How are you? Anyway, I've joined this amazing app called TikTok, and you can join with my referral code here. Creating TikTok videos for brands. A lot of brands and companies these days want to be active on social media. However, a lot of them don't have the in-house skills required in order to create engaging TikTok videos. And that's where you could potentially help them. So to increase our sales, we need to be active on TikTok so we can reach the younger generation. TokTok? What's a TokTok? You can start creating TikTok videos for brands and earn money from it even if you don't have a large following. Typically, you would be responsible for creating ideas for the brand, filming and editing the content, and then posting that content to the brand's TikTok page. While you definitely don't need a following to start creating content for brands, it may help you be able to find some deals if you can show them some examples of content that you have created. And here's an example. Styler Socials is somebody that I follow on TikTok, and as you can see from this post, she does create content for brands on her TikTok. As you can see here, she is filming some content with some jewelry for a brand, and she's also shared how much money she makes by creating content for brands, which is quite a lot of money. Of course, it does take quite a lot of time and effort to build up the client base so that you can earn over $1,000 per day on TikTok. I think it just goes to show you that that kind of income is possible with TikTok. Sponsorships. Most of the time when a brand reaches out to me, it's because they want to sponsor a video on TikTok, even though I'm also active on YouTube and Instagram. And the reason why I think is that TikTok just has such a massive reach. Did you know that in 2021, TikTok was the most visited website, and it actually beat Google? A tip that I recommend is creating a media kit, so then you can send it off to brands and it makes you look more professional, and it can also give them an insight into your audience more. This is what my media kit looks like. As you can see here, it has my why. It also has some media platforms that have featured me in some of their articles. And I've also got more information about my audience on Instagram, my audience on TikTok, my audience on YouTube, and other brands that I've worked with in the past. Another tip that I recommend is creating a rate card for brands, so then you can set your prices for how much you will charge per post. TikTok also has this thing called a creator marketplace where brands can log in and find TikTok creators. Although you do need to get invited to the TikTok creator marketplace in order to join. And if you're wondering how much money you could make from a sponsored post, here's an account that I follow. Her name is Sandy Lynn, and as you can see here, this is the average rate for creators per one TikTok based on their following sizes. So under 10K, $100 to $200, all the way up to $6,000 or more per post. This data was collected from over 2,000 surveys that Sandy has done. So I think it goes to show that you don't need millions and millions of followers in order to make some decent money from TikTok. Affiliates. This is a way to make passive income as a content creator. You can add a link in your bio to products and platforms that you already use and you think your audience could benefit from. This is what my link in bio looks like. I've got a YouTube video here And here are some affiliate links for products and platforms that I use that I also think my audience will get some value out of as well. When somebody signs up to a platform using my link, it doesn't cost them anything extra, and they usually get an extra kickback by using my link. This is typically anywhere from $5 to $20, and in return, I'll also get a kickback as well. Even though $5 to $20 doesn't seem like a lot of money, these small amounts can really add up. Affiliates is actually one of my biggest sources of income as a content creator. When you have more than 10,000 followers on TikTok as a personal or a creator account, that is when you can add a link in bio. There is a hack to do it with less than 10,000 followers by switching to a business account. However, I don't recommend doing this because if you do have a business account, it means that you won't be able to use all of the trends and sounds from TikTok because you'll only be able to use the commercial sounds from TikTok, which can be pretty limiting. TikTok gifts. On TikTok, your fans can choose to reward you with TikTok gifts or TikTok coins. Let me show you an example. So here I am on a creator's account that I follow, and if I click on one of his TikToks, then it gives me the ability to send him a gift. But first, of course, I will need to recharge my account. 100 TikTok coins usually equals around $1. You can earn TikTok gifts from your fans through posting TikTok videos and also by doing TikTok lives. And another example is TikTok Lives. TikTok creators can go live on TikTok and then their followers can send them gifts. Speaking of gifts, there's a gift that you can send me completely for free, and that is giving this video a like and subscribing to this YouTube channel. Selling a product. If you're in a niche that educates people or provides them with tips, then perhaps you could even create a digital product, for example, a course or an ebook. And here is an example from a TikTok creator that I follow called Miss Excel. This is her TikTok link in bio, and when you click on all courses, then it takes you to her website. And if you scroll down, you can have a look at all of the different courses and products that she sells, all about how to get proficient using Microsoft Excel. I was listening to a podcast where Miss Excel was talking about how she set up her business, and she actually makes most of her money by selling these online courses about Excel. So I think it really goes to show you that you can make some decent money by selling courses about pretty much any topic you can think of on TikTok, even something that seems a bit boring like Excel. Hello, and welcome back to my TikTok where I show you the best way to organize your cables. If your brand is more in the entertainment niche, then you could also create your own line of merch. You could choose to buy your merch in bulk and then send it off to your customers, or you could also use a print-on-demand service, for example, Teespring. So then you don't have to purchase any of the stock up front. Here's an example from a TikTok creator that I follow who is Places in Sydney. As you can see here, he has a lot of merch. He has aprons, he has phone grips, he has tote bags, and lots of other cute pieces in merch. He's in the food niche, so as you can see, his merch is definitely on brand. And here's another example of a merch store from a creator that I follow. And as you can see, she also does have a lot of cute merch all around bubble tea and also phrases that she talks about in her TikTok. So it is definitely very on brand. Creator Fund. You may not have known this, but TikTok actually has a creator fund which pays TikTokers money for creating content. The amount of money that you can receive from the TikTok Creator Fund all depends on a variety of different factors, such as your videos, the views, the authenticity of the views, the engagement levels, and also ensuring that your content fits within the TikTok brand guidelines. Currently, the Creator Fund is only active in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. However, they are looking to expand this program to more countries. There's currently a minimum threshold of 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days to be eligible. However, this can also vary country to country. Give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and write me a comment below with the word ice cream in it, just so I know who watched this video all the way through. Thank you, see ya!